What's up, y'all? This is the Woodland Creek RV Park in Tyler, Texas. Wow, this is huge. All this is within the dog park. So on that side of the fence, that's the small breed. They still have a lot of space. Even that is an epic park for a small dog. But this is huge. I love it. This is terrific. This is a memorable type thing. If you love your dog, you're gonna totally wanna come to a park that has a huge dog park like this. You're going to remember it. And you're gonna want to come back because you know you can come have some quality time with your dog where you're staying. Hey Daisy! Hey Daisy! So we paid $62 for just one night to stay here with the pull-through site. I like nice, easy, well taken care of pull-through sites when I'm just trying to stay for a night and trying to get somewhere. I can't stand having to worry about a bunch of obstacles as I'm just passing through the area. That just drives me nuts. Plus there's the chance that, you know, if something happens on the travel day and we wind up getting in after dark, it's nice to not have to worry about what you're turning around and whatnot. You know, when they put a bunch of trees in your way or giant rocks at the corners of the driveways, it's just not great. So anyway, $62 for the night. You can get sites in here from $300 to $400 for the week. It does seem costly, but this is a nice RV park. They do have some extended stay sites that are about $695 for the month, plus electric, and $830 for the month, $830 for the month plus electric. So I guess that just kind of, oh, the $830, they have like a covered parking area with like a shed or something at the back of it. So you get some extra storage space at that $830 per month. It's not just an RV site. With massive dog parks, like as you can see behind me right now, walking through this huge dog park, plus a hiking trail and the bathhouse. I mean, they're literally a contender for best bathhouse of the year in my book. So I think that this is a terrific place. Tyler, Texas has a lot to offer. The family was impressed by all the restaurants and stores that were 7-8 miles away from this RV park. So this is a pretty cool area. The T-Mobile internet is amazing. I didn't get the chance to check out the park's Wi-Fi. I'll try to do that when I get back up to the RV and I can see the password that they included. Laundry room looks spectacular, so let's go walk a little bit on the hiking trail before we got to get out of here. So we have a 70% chance of rain. I didn't put on my shoes, so I don't know if this hiking trail is a good idea for me at the moment. Oh, it's kind of nice. I like how they laid down some logs to kind of show you where the trail goes. I'm hoping the trail takes me back to the RVs and that I don't have to turn around. might be asking, why would we stop in Tyler, Texas and stay at this RV park, and why might you? Well, this was a halfway point, sort of, from Little Rock, Arkansas to San Antonio, Texas. So if that's a route that you've got in mind, it was 274 miles from Little Rock to here, and now it'll be 290 miles from this RV park in Tyler to San Antonio, Texas. Made it a good waypoint for us to stop for the night. Now, this route, of course, isn't up any interstates, but Texas has a lot of great highways that are truck approved, where you can take the big 18-wheelers with plenty of clearance overhead. So there's a lot of highways that you can use in Texas that they're in pretty good condition. We had a pretty good drive yesterday. You can see here in the back of the park where they're expanding and building some new sites. These are some bigger sites that actually looks like they'll have more on the other side with those sheds. And if you see right there, you can see what you get when you pay $8.30 a month. Kind of a carport with a shed on the back. And look at that, they've got room for 2 vehicles. I'd love to see what they're doing inside that shed. Could that be like an office? The power pedestal, in my opinion, was too far forward. So it caused me to have to pull forward. I probably could have gone a little bit further forward and then parked the truck back here. But like I said, one night here, no big deal. I just parked over there for tonight. Some of the other ones, like where the Cyclone is, the power pedestal's further back. Of course, it'd be nice if RVs didn't put their power in the back and actually put them in the middle. Some of them do. Firewood for sale, $1 per piece. I like that deal. And sometimes I only need like 2 more sticks. How they built this patio up here for the bathhouses and the laundry. And they got a nice swing right there if you want to relax while you just hang out. You don't have to do anything. You're in the laundry room. I love it. They've even got one of these carts. A nice sink over there. Air conditioned and probably heated. 5 washers at $3 a piece and 5 dryers at $2.75. And they have the app or credit card. Looks like no quarters needed. I always appreciate these deadbolts that do that, letting you know if it's available or not. Oh, terrific shower. This shower head is a little weird. It just kind of dribbles out. But the water pressure on this thing was amazing. Hot water, never quit. Nice little spot to put your shampoo and body wash. This is an epic shower. There is a gate up there when you come in, but it was open when we arrived. We got here before 5. We stopped right here where the white stripe is. And then our check-in stuff was just taped to the window on the main office there. A little bit of hills here, but we've seen worse. Thank y'all so much for watching. Remember that life happens. Don't let it stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.